Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so excited, I can't even help it. Okay, so today, guys, guess what? I just made the PR list for Lime Crime and I'm so excited, Okay, so let's be mature, girl, be mature. Let's get right into this video. Hi guys, I'm Robin Taylor and here I'm wearing a bikini top because I'm about to go swimming. Let's do that again. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Robin Taylor and here I do makeup tutorials, reviews, and giveaways. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you already are here, please don't unsubscribe and let's get right into this video. Okay, so please let the choir sing. Is so exciting. Look how big this is and the packaging is so cute. Look at this. So this is from Lime Crime. This is their Wet Cherry Lip Gloss collection and I'm literally so freaking excited. You guys look at the packaging. Yes. Your girl's moving on up in the world. But I'm excited. Let me be excited, okay? If you're not happy for me, unsubscribe. I'm just kidding. The haters can watch too. So I open this up and it has 7 lip glosses right here. They all have a tint of color. This reminds me of 90s summer vibes, like you're going to the pool and hence the, the bathing suit top. And this opens up. But wait, there's more. Oh my gosh. And they gave me dum-dums. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch all 14 of these lip glosses for you guys.
It takes me all the way, me down no he, she. It's not much of a life you're living. Jeno koni ako, I can't. Round and around and around and around we go. Oh, now tell me now, tell me now, tell me now, you know. Ooh, the reason I hold on. Ooh, 'cause I need this hold gone. Funny, you're the broken one, but I'm the only one who needed saving. 'Cause when you never see the light, it's hard to know which one of us is caving.
These lip glosses are legit life. Did you see how pigmented they are? They're so pretty. All of the colors, literally, I did not dislike any color. Comment down below what was your favorite color. For a lip gloss, all these shades were so pretty. I feel like I'm about to fight you guys. Is that good? Just kidding, just kidding. Chill out. But for a lip gloss, these were so pigmented. And usually when lip gloss just have a hint, a little slight hint of red. Do you see this? Do you see this? All of them look good on my skin tone. And I was kind of scared that some of them wouldn't look as good. And then they just turned out to be fire. This is perfect for the summer. I love the color. I love the packaging of it. It's so pretty. Let me try to get one out. So this is the one that I'm wearing right now. This is Black Cherry and all of them smell so good. This is Lime Crime's Wet Cherry collection and literally they did their thing with all of these and thank you for the lollipops. These are so cute. But oh my gosh, I feel like I'm not even gonna be wearing, I'm gonna be wearing these even for the winter. I'm gonna go to a whole bunch of parties and I bet you they're gonna be like, girl, what lip gloss is that? And I'll be like, Lime Crime Wet Cherries collection. The link is in the bio. Go grab one. It's so cute. What? I need to take a selfie. Oh, follow me on Instagram right here so you can see my selfie. Is Snapchat dead? Go follow me on it anyway. These lip glosses are so cute. I'll link all the information on where to get these lip glosses down below, and Lime Crime's Instagram and all of that. Make sure you guys go follow them and let them know that I sent you there. Go ahead, represent. Go ahead. They retail for $18 each. Now, $18 is like, but it's cute. It's cute. You spent $18 on MAC lipsticks. This is cute for the summer. Thank you guys so much for watching this review and swatch video. And until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye. Hold on, did you subscribe?
Baby, I could just hold you